guys, so today I'll be showing you some dresses that I bought from Fashion Nova. Everything was under $10. They were having some kind of special, and I think the special is still going on. So let's get started. The first dress that I got was this dress, and it's called She's a Victorious Mini Dress, and it's a size small. And the reason why I bought this dress, and I put it right in my cart as soon as I saw it, was because it just reminds me of the 80s. Something about the dress, I think it's the puffy sleeves, reminds me of the 80s. I love anything 80s clothing, 80s music. And then another thing that I really thought that was really cute about this dress was there's a slit at the bottom of the arms. So it's something different. It has gold and black buttons, and it's kind of like a lightweight cotton material. But yeah, this is really cute. And it was under $10. Next one is, this is one of my favorites out of all the dresses that I bought. This is called Love is Wild Leopard Mini Dress. And the material on this is like a stretchy jean material. And the buttons are really cute. It's like buttons that you would on your jeans when you button up your jeans. So I'm gonna call this like a jeans dress. It's cute. It's a little short, but I'm still gonna wear it. And I think this would look really cute if you had like black booties, high-heeled booties, or maybe thigh highs. But yeah, this is one of my favorites. The next one is called Keeping Secrets Midi Dress, and this is a size medium. The reason why I went with a size medium, normally I always get a size small, sometimes in a medium, but the reason why I got this one in a medium was because of the reviews. A lot of people were saying to size up, and I'm glad I did. I think if I got a small, there's no way I could fit in it, because this fits really, it really hugs your body. And the arms, the sleeves are really cute. It's got a double layer of ruffles. I think I'm going to be using this for work, and it has a back zipper. Okay, the next one is called Slither Through Snake Midi Dress, and this one is also in a size medium, and I got this one in a medium. I was going to get a small, and I'm glad I read the reviews, because the reviews said to size up. And like the other one, if I got a size small, I don't think I'd be able to fit into it. It'd be super tight. This one fits perfectly. The material, it has kind of a sheen to it. It kind of reminds me of those leggings that are like the fake leather leggings. That's what it reminds me of. So I'm thinking if it's a hot day, this would actually make you sweat. But I really like it. I like, the reason why I got it was because of the colors. It's like a fuchsia, and then there's a kind of a minty green. The next one is, this one is called Outside the Lines Tie-Dye Dress, and this one is in a size small. This one feels really good against your skin. It feels like jersey material, if you know what jersey material is. It's very soft. Yeah, I'm probably going to use this for work also. It has kind of an asymmetrical type of hem to it, and some ruching here on the side, so it's really cute. The next one I got was this Messing Around tie-dye dress. I really like the way it looks, the coloring and everything. Pink is one of my favorite colors, and that's why I kind of was drawn to it, and I like tie-dye. The only thing is it's too short. On the website, it looked like it would be the perfect height, and I know the girl is definitely taller than I am. I'm only 5'3". But this one, this is a size small. And I also bought this belt, this clear belt, because on the website, the girl that was modeling it had the same belt. So I got the belt also. But yeah, I think because it's so short, I would probably wear maybe white leggings, or I'm thinking I'm gonna actually cut slits here from maybe the waist down on both sides, and then take the front portion and tie it up into a knot, and then maybe wear it with little white shorts, or maybe a little white mini skirt. with some heels, with some wedges. I think that'll be really cute. Or this could be actually like a beach cover-up. So the next one, and this is my second favorite out of the bunch. This one is called Ready for Life Hooded Mini Dress. And this is an extra small. And the reason why I got an extra small is because I bought another hooded mini dress from Fashion Nova that was similar to this. The only thing that was different was the material was different. The other one I had was like sweatshirt material, and that was a size small, and it fits me. But I think if I went to an extra small, it would fit me better. And so I think if I went on a small with this, it would fit me the same way that the other one fit me. And I'm happy that I went with the extra small. And the color, I love the color. It's like a nice violet color. It has the hood in the back, and the material, this material is like a terry cloth material, so it's pretty light, and it has pockets. But yeah, this is one of my favorites. I wish they had more colors, because if they had more colors, I'd buy them all. Okay, so the next dress is this Always Fortunate mini dress. Now this dress is similar to the blue tie-dye one that I showed you earlier. The material is the same, which is like a jersey material. Feels really good against your skin. It has a low-cut front and an asymmetrical bottom. This one's a little bit more dramatic as far as the bottom than the blue one, than the blue tie-dye one. And this is a size small. So the last item I got is not a dress, it's a top. I saw it before I was gonna check out, and it was $7, so I was like, I'm just gonna get it because it's cute. It's a crop top, and it's called Lost Without You top, and this is a size small. And the material feels like a polyester slinky type of material, and I paired it with a high-waisted midi skirt. You can pair it with whatever you want. I'm probably gonna have to pair it with something high-waisted because I don't really have nice abs. But if you have nice abs, you can wear something that'll show your midriff. So that's everything I got from Fashion Nova. I hope you enjoyed watching my haul. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And oh yeah, please check out my Instagram at JuneChristy66. Till next time, bye!